How to clear cache on BYDFi application. Our guest person uses to clear cache on BYDFi application. If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open BYDFi application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Click on it. Now tap on settings. After you click on settings, you can see multiple options. Just look at the second last option where you can see this option for clear cache. You are looking to clear up your cache, right? Just simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, your cache will be cleared instantly. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to clear cache on BYDFi application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.